My name is Robin with Trust Roofing, and then I'm here with Matt.
I'm Matt with Worthouse Metal Roofing Manufacturing.
Today, Matt, we're just basically talking about Worthouse metal panels and how this can be a good option for homeowners. So just a couple questions that I want to kind of ask you, kind of from the homeowner's perspective. Why would a homeowner decide to use something like a Worthouse rather than maybe like a standing seam metal roof?
Normally a standing seam roof, it's nice in different applications, but not all the time, where someone does want to maintain that barrel or flat tile look.
Absolutely. I mean, a lot of the time somebody wants to go metal, right? They want to switch up, but then that standing seam look, some people really like it, but for some they feel like it's too modern, and they're looking for something more traditional. So I absolutely agree. Let's say that somebody's near the water or ocean front. Are they able to use something like Worthouse in that situation? Because sometimes some certain kinds of metals you're not able to use near the water due to rust concerns.
Our material is warranted right up to any salt or brackish water for 30 years. And the reason for that is because of our paint coating system, because it has zinc built into the paint system. So when it's cut, it actually self-heals itself around its steel core to protect the steel from rusting.
What do you look for in contractors, and what are kind of the things required to install one of these roof systems well from the contractor side?
We like to partner with good roofing companies that have been around, that have a good name, that can actually stand up and stand behind our product as well. We have a beautiful roof right behind us here that your company installed, and it came out perfect. And I will actually go through and inspect it, make sure everything's done properly, but that's why you are a certified contractor with ours, because we want to make sure that we only bring on the best. And we don't bring on just any roofing contractor.
What should a homeowner expect price point wise, if they're kind of weighing their options, looking between a shingle, like maybe a metal, like a traditional metal roof? Where does this kind of fall in line in that pricing need?
You have your high end, which are the composites. You have some other stone coated material that usually don't fare as well as our product.
So this a little bit more maybe than a standing seam, but less than maybe a composite or a traditional clay.
Correct.
Or something along those lines.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, good. But definitely, obviously, this is premium. This is significantly more than asphalt. But the longevity-wise, in asphalt shingle in Florida, you're looking at 15 to 20 years, maybe if you're lucky. Whereas with this, what are you looking at?
Currently in Florida, there's no insurance mandates that say after X amount of years you have to replace your metal roof. It's once again going to be the only roof that you're going to need to put on your house, with it being a 30-year coastal warranty or a 50-year mainland warranty with our product.
Last question for you. What do you tell homeowners in terms of like color selection process?
We have our Canyon Red right here. This comes in our Supre, and then this is also in our Alta. If you want that new modern look, we do have our Raven Black. We really do have color schemes that can fit any neighborhood.
I love it. All right. If you want more information on Worthouse, check them out. Worthouse Metal Roofing, worthouse.com. And then if you want to get a quote on it, we're here and we're happy to help you. We can do an instant quote for your house with this product.
Awesome, Robin. Thank
you.
All
right, thanks, man.